guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm so excited to share with you guys the new Doterra essential oil roller balls. So they just released one and Aspire. These are limited time only essential oils and they are roller balls, which is so amazing. I have a rollerball problem. I don't know if you guys have seen my rollerball case, but it's a problem. But I love rollerballs. They are so convenient to use, so easy to use. They are so amazing to smell. I'm super obsessed with any rollerball they release, and I promised myself that I wasn't going to keep buying the promo things, but I couldn't resist. I had to actually buy them because if I don't buy them, they'll sell out and then I'll be super upset. So I bought them. So limited time only essential oils, so that there is one and Aspire. So one is just my absolute favorite of the two. I love this essential oil. This is a beautiful scent that contains ylang ylang, frankincense, I believe there is vetiver, Douglas fir, and cardamom. So it's very spicy and kind of like sexy oil. So one helps you to have helps to clear airways, helps to uplift your mood. It is such a beautiful oil when you're having one of those like stressed out days where you can just roll it onto your pulse points, your collarbone, the back of your neck, and it just creates this like feeling of like security with yourself. I don't know, it's like something I never thought that like Doterra would make a blend of. It also contains the oil Melissa, which helps calm feelings of anxiousness and tension and stress and brings down all of those emotions. Overall, just a very grounding and relaxing oil. It just helps you feel one and relaxed with it. Everything that's going on, because we all have these struggles and we're all dealing with something, so it just kind of brings you back down. So as I said, roll on your wrists throughout the day just to have a relaxing, calming, grounding feeling throughout the day. You can apply this at the bottom of your feet when you go to bed at night. I did that the first night I had it and I slept like a baby. It just was beautiful and helps just bring down everything after a busy, crazy day. And then also it's a beautiful oil if you want to do like a self-massage or have someone massage you. But that is one. Oh, it's my favorite of the two. Definitely cash in on this guy. Make sure you go to doterra.com. My link is down below if you guys want to check this out and just read up on it. There is never any pressure to buy anything, you guys. I'm just purely sharing how much I love these products with you. The next essential oil is the Aspire. So this one helps liven up your mood, makes you feel inspired and excited about life. It contains a blend of lime, cardamom, hyssop, cedarwood, blue Nepalese, chamomile. Oh, so awesome. So this oil has an ability to ease the feelings of tension and and it has soothing properties. So I like to apply this essential oil to my pulse points to help me stay excited and inspired and driven and motivated to get through the day. So it's a really great uplifting oil for like pushing you through the day and just like being like, I got this. It's awesome. We can do this. So really great if you're studying or taking a test, or if you're just trying to get through the day. Those are some great ways to use it. Applying it to your pulse points to uplift you. Even behind your ears can be really great for like studying, or if you're doing like really in-depth work at your job, then it helps to just kind of keep your mind focused. Adding a little bit of this onto your dryer balls. If you've got your homemade dryer balls, adding a little roll of this on there and then throwing it in the dryer helps keep your linens nice and fresh and clean. The lime is like super invigorating. And if you're going into a workout class or you're doing some physical activity, it might be a great oil to add into your day. So that is Aspire, and this is one. These are the brand new Doterra Essential Oil Roller Balls. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and enjoyed checking out these new roller balls. Make sure you get them before they are gone. Thank you so much for watching this video, you guys. Please be sure to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.